Reactions this evening from the mother of a female who died after she was struck by her boyfriend's gun in Clarendon last year. She's expressed disappointment that the policeman has been charged with manslaughter by gross negligence rather than murder. Kimberly Petty has this primetime news update.
It's been over a year since Jamoy Saku's family laid her to rest. Her death has left them with more questions than answers. The 20-year-old woman from Westmoreland traveled to the Versailles Hotel in Clarendon to visit her boyfriend, who is a policeman. It's reported his gun accidentally went off, striking her and resulting in her death. On Thursday, the officer, Tavoy Hussey, appeared before the Clarendon Parish Court, where he was charged with gross negligence manslaughter following a ruling handed down by the office of the DPP. But Nadine Saku, Jamoy's mom, says she's not comforted by it.
I was very astonished and disappointed to hear that Mr. Tavoy Hussey was charged for manslaughter. I was looking forward for him to be charged with murder, but I cannot go against the DPP ruling because they have the last say and I have to accept it.
The constable was offered bail in the sum of $1.5 million. The distraught mother told TVJ News that she is disappointed.
Further on, I know that everything will come to light, and I know that the evidence and everything will prove that Mr. Tavoy Hussey directly pointed the gun at my daughter and shoot her and kill her in that hotel room in Clarendon. Because I want to know how a gun come into play. I want to know if he was off duty, as he claims, how he has access to a firearm.
She's hoping that as the case takes its course, she will get the justice she deserves.
And I'm praying and I'm hoping in the trial, everything will come to light and the whole Jamaica, everybody will see that he's definitely hiding something and he's telling lies. He's hiding something and he's telling lies. And all the evidence and all the claims and everything will come to light for us to see.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.